Hi friends, my name is Jessica Mark and I live in Asheville, North Carolina. I'm an Ortho-Bionomy instructor and I'm wanting to invite you to our next class of the structural releases for the extremities, also known as Phase 4. This is our structural lens that we look at through the whole 2-day class, and we'll be working with all of our extremities: femurs, knees, fibula and tibia, ankle, feet, as well as shoulder and arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, and fingers. We're looking at all of those joints and the mechanics of those joints and how we are able to use the Ortho-Bionomy principles of less is more, working with what is, working with ease, moving away from pain towards the ease and comfort. We're also looking at listening to the body so that those self-corrective reflexes that I have in my own system can come online, can be nurtured and supported in order to release an elbow, an arm, a leg with the greatest ease possible, because it's happening from our clients' own bodies. So I hope you'll join me. This is a great class to supplement your existing body work or to learn very gentle and safe, effective tools to work with your friends and family at home.